Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel Salsa and Bachata Moves, where we break down salsa and bachata moves. My name is Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We are from the Island of Cyprus, and if this is with music, if you like to see it broken down the lesson, please click in the info cards, which is popping out right now, or the first link in the description. A small side note, a request to my subscribers, to my friends out there that like my work. After 2 decades, I created a complete from zero beginner to improver intermediate level downloadable course. It's the next link in the description. If you like, go click and see it. There is description in it. There is a video, advertising video that I'm going to put here to pop up as well so you can watch it. And if you have friends that like you trust us to show you the moves, maybe you can trust us to show them their first steps, and by sending them that link. If you like, you can also check on the right, you can send them an affiliated link, which if they buy it, you will receive $13, that's 12 euros about, each time you make a sale. I'm not very good at marketing, so I'm just letting out there a message for anyone who wants to help themselves and us along the way. Let's go to music. So that was a little bit more relaxed and down to earth, yeah? Well, I told you I was going to start really strong, and the next salsa moves, the next 5 salsa moves, and then relax it. I hope you enjoyed it. That was with music. If you click in the info cards or the first link in the description, guys, you can go learn this. I made a lesson on it. And one more time, a reminder, we have a PayPal link donation in the description if you like to support us and our channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.